friends, it's Miss Brea, your neighborhood speech therapist, and today we're going to practice some more sounds. Today I'm going to teach you 2 sounds, and these are my favorite sounds. The sounds are k and g. Let's try that again. K, g. Our k sound and our g sound. I love those sounds. Now, these sounds both come from the back of our mouth. Now, Miss Brea is giving you some cues like this to help you feel where it's coming from, okay? So let's start with our k sound. All right, I have my board, and I also have these shapes. Miss Brea is going to put a shape in the box every time we practice. Are you ready? Okay, now I want you to copy me. We're going to practice our k sound 3 times. Can you try that? Good job. Let's put one in the box. Whoa. Boom. Good job. Now, remember how we practiced with our vowels in our last video? We're going to do the same here. Watch me. E. E. Key. Can you try that? E. E. Good. Key. Can you say key? Good job. Let's practice another one. I. 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 Let's use our cue. I. I. Let's blend it. Hi. 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 You try that. I. Hi. Good. Let's do one more and we'll put a shape in. A. 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 Can you practice that one with me? K. We blended it. Hey. You try that. K. K. By yourself. Good job. Let's put a shape in. Let's do our yellow shape. Oh, push. Good job. 2 more vowel sounds. You ready? Ooh. Ooh. You tried that. Ooh. Good. Coo. Can you say that one with me? Coo. Let's do that one 3 times. Coo. 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 Good job. Let's do our last one. Oh. Oh. Let's use our cue. Oh, you tried that. Oh, good. By yourself. Good. Let's touch. Oh, let's blend it. Co. Can you say co 3 times? Co. Yay! Good job, friends. Let's put this one in. All right. What sound does this make? Do it again. Good job. We have key, hi, K, coo, co. Let's go practice this sound in some words. Okay, friends, you know the drill. I'm going to show you a picture and we're going to practice it together. The first word we're going to make with our k sound is cake. It has a k in the front and the end. Cake. 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 What is this? Good job. What is it? Good. Can you say it 2 times by yourself? Good job. Let's put a shape in. Boom. Our next word is cat. 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 Can you do that one? Good job. Cat. Let's put a shape in. This is our last shape. We're going to take them out and start over. Cat. Push. Yay! Okay, friends. You did so well with your sound. What sound is that? Good job. Now it's time to do our g sound. Now this sound, we turn our voice on. G. Can you try that? Touch right here. G. One more time. Good job. Okay, so I'm going to touch, and every time I touch, I want you to make that sound, okay? Can you do it for me? Good. One more time. Good. Touch here. Let's do it twice. Good. One more time. One more. Good. Good job. Now, let's practice it with our vowels. By this time, I think you understand how to do it. Are you ready? Let's practice. We're going to say G-E. G-E. Blend it together. Gee. Can you do that? Gee. 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 Right here? Gee. You try it. Good job. G-I. 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 Let's put it together. Guy. Can you say that? Guy. One more time. Guy. Good. Okay. G-A. G-A. We're going to say, blend it together, gay. Again, gay. Gay. You try it. Gay. Good job. G-oo. G-oo. Let's put it together. Goo. Goo. Let's touch it. Goo. What's that sound? Goo. Good. Let's add our O. You ready? G-O. G-O. Can we put it together? What sound is that? What word is that? Go. Yes. Do it again. Go. Let's touch here. Go. Go. You try it. Yay. You want to do something fun? Ready, set, go. Push. Yay. Okay, one more time. What sound is this? G. What sound? G. What sound? G. Copy me. G. Guy. Gay. Goo. Go. Yay. Let's go practice our G sound in different words. See you over there. Okay, friends, we have our shapes and we're going to practice 5 words together. Are you ready? Okay, the first word is goat. 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 Look at that, goat. Goat. What word is that? Good job. Miss Brea is going to put it in. Ready, set, go. Yay! Our next word is game. Remember we learned that sound? Game. 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 Let's play a game. What's that word? Yay! Okay. Let's do our next word. Gum. 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 We chew. Good job. What's that word? Yay! Let's do our next word and then we'll do a shape. Gear. 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 We need gear. What's that word? Gear. Say it again. Gear. All right, ready, set, go. Yay! All right, our last word is guide. 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 Can you guide me? What's that word? One more time. Yay! Ready, set, go! Okay, friends, so far we've learned b, p, k, and g. Those are 5 sounds that we've learned together. I'm so proud of you. See you in the next video. Bye!